I founded Harbor Research. We've been around since the middle 80s. We've always worked for both technology suppliers and technology adopters. The practice has always been split essentially on helping suppliers plan for their future products and roadmaps and working with adopters on building business cases and business models to deploy these technologies. Platform business models need platforms from the software world essentially to inform those business models. So if these are all, relatively speaking, more open and collaborative kinds of systems that will deliver these sort of solutions, you still need a central orchestrating and integration and data management story to the delivery of these solutions. And ThingWorx, I think, has been central in developing platform innovation and technology to address that kind of integration and delivery value. Well, if you're a product OEM and you put a product on a network, I turn my product business into a service business because I'm in a continuous relationship with the customer now because it's on a network. So there's huge amounts of discovery value to the product OEM, and so things like delivering service and support to their end customers becomes far more efficient, and so the productivity and service delivery efficiencies go up exponentially. A lot of technology that's out there today is fairly aging and brittle and rigid and old, and ThingWorx has brought a lot more flexibility and a lot more modern information management and information architecture to the story. So in many respects, they fit into this story from a business model standpoint as having enough future resilience over time to evolve with these systems, because there's lots to be discovered. If you follow the whole story of product geometry and the impact of that in terms of product design tools on OEMs, and you look at the way PTC has evolved their whole portfolio into PLM and ALM and kind of through the whole gamut of the life cycle of the product in use and the context in use, ThingWorx is kind of like the ribbon on the package that completes that story and closes that whole information loop. And I think there's a huge amount of creativity that can be tapped in that range of capabilities that you won't really find in any other supplier on the earth. It should be an exciting evolution to watch. ThingWorx is powering the Internet of Things.